Where? Tell me where.
Well, right there.
Here it comes. That's it. It's coming. There it is.
Sticking out.
Peel it back in.
Yep.
Tell me if I'm right. I'm trying to get Daddy. It'll be coming in a second. What you think of that? Look white, didn't it?
Black.
Did it look black?
Yeah. Hurry up and fly.
No, wait a minute. I want to tell him when I see it coming out.
Well, I'm going to tell him right now, so he can hurry up and get down.
He's not going to let you know he's making out some hot tea. What is that?
He is white.
We got one coming out. Randy.
Yeah.
We have a Dalmatian. Are you videotaping? This is Cotton's baby, number 2, and we have a Dalmatian. She's panicking because she's afraid she's stepping on her baby. Yeah, Ryan's filming it. It's flopping around, and it is a Dalmatian, mostly white with what? At least 8 or 9 big black spots on it. Ryan got to see the whole thing. Little face coming out, went in, went out. He's okay. Alright, I gotta get off. What do you think of that? Is that amazing?
Yeah.
Kind of scary? Did you turn the record off? Yeah, you did, because if you're not holding this, it's not recording. No, it just tells you. How do you do that?